What's going on with you, man? I see you. I see you. Is it lit up inside? Okay, that's what you're doing?
Man.
That's how you coming out here?
Okay.
I'm live with that thing, man. Looking good, bro. Looking good. And we at the Mortons, man. We at this Mortons, man. If I know about Mortons, man. Gang, let me flip you. Gang. Yes, indeed.
What up, y'all? What's Barbie? Look at Miss Joni.
That's what you on, baby? Oh, you talking about the chain master? Oh, okay. Good, love. I'm lucky. I'm lucky, baby. And they said we gotta have master, but I got some a couple of extra ones up in there, probably. Killing it, though. Yeah, I'm on live. Killing it. Back in the forums, man. Hold on, watch it. I don't know who that is. Look at Broski. You looking good? Already. What you over there talking about? What you over there talking about? You be doing the same thing I be doing?
I was about to sit back in the car.
You want to sit back? You so cute. I can't wait to lick your booty after this. I ain't even gonna eat my food. I'm just gonna eat your booty. Motherfucker. That's the. See how much space in the back, bro?
Hey, follow me here.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you up here. Like MTV Cribs up in that motherfucker, man. Look at all that room.
That shit got space in it.
How you feel up in there, Mr. K?
I feel like I can put 10 more me's in here.
On the gang. Yeah, that's that Maybach, man. That's that black on black, though, man. Okay. Yeah. Already, I see you. On the gang. Looking good, baby. I see you. I'm still gonna beat your ass, Barbie, though. Huh? Yeah, get the mask. Oh, yeah, mask. I got your mask?
Yeah. Did you get yours? You got the keys?
I got my mask in my pocket. Let's get it. Yeah, I got my mask in my pocket. Let me flip this shit around. Tell her she need her ass whooped.
Why?
Let's get it. Look at my ladies. Appreciate it. He's in all black. Alrighty, let's get it. I eat some scallops. What y'all gonna eat? So whatever Armani want, let's get it.
Do it like it's my B-Day. Do it like it's my B-Day. Period. It's my B-Day.